Okay, today we're going to do perspective drawing part 1 on sketch.io, and when we finish actually the drawing will look like this. Okay, let's start. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is, obviously the whole drawing is going to be just based on just drawing using lines, nothing else. So we're going to change the basically our feather to line. So use this one. Okay, so I've got the line now. So we're going to try and draw a horizontal line. Okay, so the horizon line is going to be here. So we're going to click here. We don't double click, just click and then basically drag it and try and make it straight as possible. Okay, it's a bit difficult to actually make it straight because there's not enough guidance on this one. So try and make it straight as possible. So maybe something like, okay, maybe here. Okay, double click. So that's going to be our horizon line now. So the horizon line, okay, so the next thing what we need to do is we're going to try and draw our vertical line. And to start from here, I'll go all the way down. And again, try and make it straight as possible. Like I said, there's not enough guidance to actually indicate whether this is straight or not. But just try and do your best to actually make straight as possible. We're not going to get a drawing which is 100% perfect because obviously there's not enough guidance for the straight lines. So you're going to click from here and then go to the right hand side vanishing point. Okay, so this is the first guideline. So then from this top again, and then click and go all the way down to the other side of the vanishing point. So this vanishing point, click here. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, obviously it's going to be like a building. So we need to try and draw the other vertical line to indicate where the side of the building actually ends. So click here and we're going to go all the way down. Okay, so now you can actually see the side of the building, it looks like. Okay, so we're going to draw the other line where the front part of the building, where the building ends. So go all the way down there. So you can almost see the 3D effect of your building now. So next thing we need to do, starting from this vanishing point, we're going to come down to indicate the bottom part of the building. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing again from this side, from this point, and go to the other vanishing point. Okay, so you can see the 3D effect of your building almost now. So the next thing we need to do, we're going to try and draw the outline of the windows, and we're going to start from here. It's like the borders of your windows basically. So you start from here and go to this vanishing point. Okay, and then we're going to start from this side again. Click and then go to the other vanishing point. So everything we do, every single line that we're actually making is always ending up somewhere in the vanishing point line, unless obviously you're actually drawing the vertical lines basically. So there's a little bit of glitch there. I'm going to try and fix that. Okay, so click on this line and try and use the arrow on your keyboard just to push it up and up a little bit. If you need to push it up or down, doesn't really matter. Obviously you can use the arrow to go up and down. So I'm just going to try and push it up. Okay, that's right. So of course now we need to go back and select the line again. Okay, so now we're going to try and draw the bottom part of the windows. So it's still the outline of your window, but obviously the bottom part of your window. So this line is going to actually make your the frame of your window. Okay, so double click there and do the same thing on the other side. From this point we're going to go to the other side of the vanishing point, click there. Okay, double click. Okay, that's it. So there you go, there's a little bit of a glitch there. and try and fix that. Okay, and push it up a little bit. Okay, that looks okay. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, now I'm gonna try and go back to our line again. Okay, so I'm going to draw the next line. Okay, this line obviously is going to be the base of your border, top part of your window. It's a border line, okay, to the vanishing point. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Click here and then go all the way down to the vanishing point. Okay, and then we're going to do the bottom part of the window. Okay, so click here and then go to the vanishing point again, double click. Okay, and do the same on the other side. Okay, same on the other side. There you go. Okay, now, okay, there's a little bit of glitch here, so I'm trying to fix that. Okay, push it up. Okay, I don't think. Okay, I didn't get the right one. Okay, let's. I think click again. Let's see. Okay, maybe this one. It's not selected. Okay, try and click this one. Okay, now use the arrow, push it up. Okay, that should look. It looks okay. Okay, now. Okay. Okay, so what we're going to do, obviously we're going to try and draw the actual vertical lines of the window so it actually looks like window, obviously. Not just one big window, long window. So draw the first line here. Okay, so try and click here. Okay, that's where we're going to start our first vertical line and then click down. Try and make it straight as possible. Okay. Okay, so that this is the actual width of the window. Okay, so another straight line. Okay, click. Then what we need, actually, we need a little bit of gap here. Okay, so create a little bit of gap. Okay, we don't want to make it too big. We want to obviously try to make it small. So another straight line. Okay, so that's your space. Now another window. Straight line. Okay, try and make it straight. Okay, there you go. So there's your two window now. So another gap. Try and make the gap there. There's your space between your window. Then the next window. Okay, size of your window. Okay, and you can see. So of course you can almost just see there's three windows there. So you've got the first window, obviously, okay, and you can see obviously that's the first window. Then you got a little bit of gap there. There you go. Then your window, then your gap there, then your window. Now what you need is actually another gap there. Okay, that's the gap. Now the window. Okay, so that's your window. Now you need to create another gap again. Okay, now you need to create the next window. So, but you can see it's actually getting smaller and smaller. Okay, then another gap. Okay, and lastly the last window. Okay, and there you go. So you can see the windows, obviously it starts off big. The first window you can see is quite big, then it goes to a little bit smaller, then it gets a little bit smaller, then it gets a little bit smaller, and so like that until it actually almost like it's actually vanishing. So obviously all your windows actually vanishing to the right hand side of your vanishing point. Okay, you have another vanishing point which is in the left hand side, so you vanish to the left hand side of the vanishing point. Okay, so there you go, there you have it.